This video contains flashing lights, which may be potentially triggering for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised. Hi everyone, this is the finale for the Firelight MS-9200 addressable fire alarm control panel. Now I say the finale because I am selling this panel, but I took out the previous pole station and put in a Simplex 425120. Probably my favorite pole stations. Annunciator. Well, I don't know if you guys saw. Well, I don't even know. But I had an annunciator here, and I took it out. It didn't do what it was supposed to do. This is what the annunciator looked like. But it doesn't work correctly with this panel, so I took it out. And the annunciator is also for sale too. Monitor module that I've been having for quite a while. We all know what's in there. I took down the old alarm, put up my wheel lock MT24. Don't know what the strobe model is because that's the way I got that alarm. And then my wheel lock MT24 LSM. The horn unfortunately does not work, but I did order a remote strobe. The panel is coded to temporal and the MT is set to siren. So here we go. It's pretty loud too, so I'll turn it off quickly. Now that is loud, and it's set to low volume too. Let's go ahead and reset. Oh, I didn't reset. Shoot. There we go. Let's put it to March time. You go into enter 1 programming, put your level 1 password, and then 3 system. Press your right button until you get to CD and then change it to M. Enter. Alright, here we go. That's temporal, California, neutral. I'll do California code. I'll do Joe Biden on the panel. It's gonna be loud. That is really loud. Let me see if I can hold it. Sounds like a screaming girl. We can re-alarm it using the T-bar, I believe. Reset. Well, that's pretty much it for the system test and for the 9200 finale. It's been a great system, and yeah, so alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.